Welcome to Health Diagnosis. Today, we're talking about a problem that many people feel shy to discuss but one that affects millions of lives: piles, also known as hemorrhoids. It's uncomfortable, painful, and can seriously disturb daily life. But the good news is, in most cases, it can be managed right at home with simple remedies, lifestyle adjustments, and natural treatments. So, let's talk in detail about what causes piles, how to recognize them, and most importantly, how to find relief naturally. Piles are swollen veins around the anus or lower rectum. They can be inside, which we call internal piles, or outside, which are external piles. Common symptoms include pain while passing stool, bleeding, itching, and a feeling of swelling or lumps around the anus. One major cause of piles is constipation. When we strain too much to pass stool, the pressure on those veins increases and they swell. Other causes include sitting for long hours, low-fiber diet, dehydration, obesity, and even pregnancy in women due to pressure on pelvic veins. Now that we understand the causes, let's focus on home remedies that actually help. Remember, consistency is key. These remedies work best when done regularly and combined with healthy habits. The first and most important step is to improve your fiber intake. Fiber helps soften stool and makes bowel movements easier, reducing strain. Eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Foods like papaya, guava, apples, bananas, and pears are especially good. If you struggle to get enough fiber from food, you can add a natural supplement like psyllium husk, also known as isbgol. Mix 1 tablespoon of isbgol in a glass of warm water and drink it before bedtime. It keeps the digestive system clean and prevents constipation naturally. Hydration is equally important. Many people ignore this simple step. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Warm water early in the morning works like magic to kickstart bowel movement and cleanse your system. Avoid sugary sodas, excessive caffeine, and alcohol, as they can dehydrate you and worsen the condition. The next powerful remedy is the Sitz bath. This is one of the most effective home treatments for piles. Fill a large bowl of your bathtub with warm water and not too hot, just comfortably warm, and sit in it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Do this 2 to 3 times a day, especially after bowel movements. The warm water relaxes the anal muscles, improves blood flow, and reduces swelling, itching, and discomfort. Another wonderful ingredient that can be found in most homes is aloe vera. Aloe vera has natural anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. Take fresh aloe vera gel, extract it from the leaf, and apply it gently around the affected area. It helps reduce pain and burning sensation. For internal piles, you can also drink aloe vera juice, say about half a cup in the morning on an empty stomach. Make sure the juice is pure and without artificial additives. Coconut oil is another natural healer. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce itching and swelling. You can apply a small amount of the virgin coconut oil on the affected area several times a day. Some people also mix a few drops of tea tree oil with coconut oil for added relief, but make sure to do a patch test first to avoid irritation. Witch hazel is a traditional remedy known for its soothing effect. It's a natural astringent that helps shrink swollen veins and reduce bleeding. You can soak a cotton pad in witch hazel and gently apply it to the affected area. It provides quick relief from burning and itching. Witch hazel wipes are also available in most pharmacies and can be very handy. Cold compress is another simple yet effective method. Wrap some ice cubes in a clean cloth and apply gently over the affected area for about 10 minutes. The cold helps constrict blood vessels and reduce swelling and pain. Do this a few times a day for best results, but remember not to apply ice directly on the skin. Now, let's talk about some dietary changes that can make a huge difference. Avoid spicy and oily foods, as they can irritate the digestive system. Limit processed foods, red meat, and refined flour products. Instead, focus on a diet rich in fruits, green vegetables, oats, brown rice, and yogurt. Fermented foods like curd and buttermilk help maintain healthy gut bacteria, which in turn keeps your digestion smooth. In addition to what you eat, How you eat matters too. Eat smaller meals throughout the day instead of large heavy ones. Chew your food slowly and thoroughly. This simple habit reduces gas and bloating, both of which can worsen piles symptoms. Next, physical activity. Sitting for long hours, especially on hard surfaces, increases pressure on the veins around the anus. Try to get up and move every hour. Go for short walks, do light stretching, or yoga. Regular exercise helps improve blood circulation, prevent constipation, and maintain healthy body weight. Simple yoga poses like Pavanmuktasana, Malasana, and Viparita Karani are especially helpful for improving digestion and relieving piles. Let's also discuss a few Ayurvedic remedies that are safe and effective. Triphala is one of the most recommended herbal combinations for piles. It consists of 3 fruits Amla, Haritaki, and Bibataki A and acts as a natural colon cleanser. Take 1 teaspoon of triphala powder with warm water before going to bed. It helps regulate bowel movements and detoxify the digestive tract. Another traditional remedy is buttermilk with rock salt and roasted cumin powder. This not only aids digestion but also cools the body. Drink a glass of this after lunch every day. Buttermilk is light and soothing, making it a perfect addition for those dealing with piles. You can also make a simple home mixture using sesame oil and turmeric powder. Mix them into a paste and apply gently around the anal area. Turmeric has antibacterial and healing properties, while sesame oil soothes and softens the skin. Now let's address one common mistake people make: delaying bowel movements. Ignoring the urge to go to the toilet only hardens the stool and increases pressure later. Always respond to nature's call on time and avoid sitting on the toilet for too long, especially while using your phone. This small habit can go a long way in preventing piles from worsening. For those suffering from severe pain or burning sensation, you can prepare a cooling mixture at home. Take a spoon of castor oil, mix it with a few drops of lemon juice, and drink it once every few days. Castor oil acts as a mild laxative and helps reduce inflammation internally. But don't overdo it. Moderation is important. It's also helpful to elevate your legs slightly while passing stool. You can use a small footstool under your feet. This posture helps align your rectum naturally and reduces strain. Many people notice significant improvement just by adjusting their toilet posture. One more tip: maintain good hygiene. After each bowel movement, clean the area gently using plain water or unscented wet wipes. Avoid using dry toilet paper as it can cause irritation. Keep the area dry afterwards because moisture can lead to itching and infection. Now, let's look at a few simple daily habits that can prevent piles from returning once they heal. Start your morning with a glass of warm water mixed with a teaspoon of honey and lemon. This helps detoxify the body and keeps digestion smooth. Include fiber-rich foods like oats and chia seeds in your breakfast. Throughout the day, drink water regularly instead of gulping large amounts at once. Avoid sitting for long periods if your job requires sitting. Use a soft cushion and take short breaks to walk around. In the evening, have light meals and avoid eating too close to bedtime. Spices like turmeric, cumin, coriander, and fennel are excellent for digestion and can be added to your meals. Before going to bed, you can drink a cup of warm milk with a pinch of turmeric for healing and better sleep. Let's also talk about some do's and don'ts for piles. Do eat fiber-rich foods, drink plenty of fluids, exercise regularly, and practice good toilet habits. Don't strain while passing stool, sit for too long, eat junk food, or lift heavy objects unnecessarily. Also, avoid delaying treatment if your symptoms persist for more than a few days or if you notice heavy bleeding. Always consult a doctor. Home remedies work best for mild to moderate cases, but medical advice is essential for severe or chronic conditions. Sometimes, stress and anxiety can indirectly affect digestion and worsen piles symptoms. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or simply taking a few minutes each day for yourself. A calm mind leads to a healthy body, and that includes your digestive system. You can also include herbal teas in your daily routine. Chamomile tea, ginger tea, and green tea are excellent choices. They help reduce inflammation and improve digestion. Adding a little honey and lemon makes them even more soothing. Many people underestimate the power of sleep in healing. Poor sleep affects metabolism and digestion. Make sure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sound sleep every night. A well-rested body heals faster and handles stress better. If you're overweight, gradual weight loss can make a big difference. Excess weight, especially around the abdomen, puts extra pressure on pelvic veins, leading to or worsening piles. A balanced diet combined with regular physical activity helps prevent recurrence. For women dealing with piles during pregnancy, the same principles apply: a fiber-rich diet, hydration, gentle exercise, and Sitz baths. Avoid any harsh medications unless prescribed by your doctor. After delivery, most cases improve naturally, but maintaining these habits ensures long-term relief. Let's also not forget the importance of probiotics. Yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods help balance gut bacteria, which in turn keeps your digestive system functioning properly. A healthy gut means less constipation and smoother bowel movements. For those who prefer herbal options, you can try a decoction made from dried figs. Soak 3 or 4 figs overnight and eat them on an empty stomach in the morning, along with the soaked water. This natural remedy softens the stool and promotes regular bowel movement. You can also try black cumin seeds. Roast them lightly, grind into a powder, and take half a teaspoon with a glass of warm water after meals. It aids digestion and reduces gas, which often aggravates piles. Another powerful combination is radish juice with a pinch of salt. It cleanses the digestive system and improves liver function. Drink half a cup twice a day for best results. Let's recap the key takeaways. Piles are common but manageable. By improving your diet, staying hydrated, maintaining hygiene, exercising regularly, and following natural remedies, you can find relief and prevent recurrence. Consistency is the secret to success. Remember, home remedies work gradually but effectively. Avoid impatience and stick to your routine. Along with that, maintain a positive attitude toward healing. The body responds better when the mind believes in recovery. If you found this information helpful, share it with your friends and family who might be struggling silently. And don't forget to subscribe to Health Diagnosis for more natural health tips and remedies that truly work. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay positive, and take good care of yourself. From all of us at Health Diagnosis.